Welcome to Everyday Mysteries, where we uncover the fascinating tales hidden in the everyday objects around us. I'm your host, Ethan Carter, diving into the secrets that shaped our world, one object at a time. Let's explore what's hidden in plain sight. Today, we're dialing back through time to trace the incredible evolution of the telephone. Let's connect with the past and see how this device revolutionized the way we communicate. Telephones, they're something we use every day, but have you ever wondered how they came to be? The story starts with Alexander Graham Bell, who in 1876 made the first successful telephone call. Can you imagine the excitement of hearing someone's voice over a wire for the first time? Bell's invention was groundbreaking, allowing people to communicate across distances in real time. But the journey didn't stop there. Early telephones were pretty basic. Users had to speak into one part and listen from another, often through a connected switchboard operator. It was a far cry from the instant, direct communication we're used to today. Moving into the 20th century, we see the introduction of rotary dial phones. These phones were a big leap forward, allowing users to dial numbers directly without operator assistance. They became a fixture in homes and offices, revolutionizing personal and business communication. Then came the push-button phones in the 1960s, which were easier and quicker to use. This period also saw the advent of cordless phones in the 1980s, offering the freedom to walk and talk without being tethered by a cord. Imagine the convenience that is brought to busy households. The real game changer, however, came with the development of mobile phones. The first mobile phones were bulky and expensive, but they marked the beginning of a new era. By the 1990s, mobile phones had become more accessible, and with the introduction of text messaging, the way we communicated changed once again. Today, smartphones are ubiquitous. They're not just for making calls, they're powerful computers that fit in our pockets. We can browse the internet, send emails, take photos, and so much more. The telephone has come a long way from Bell's first call, continuously evolving with technology to meet our changing needs. The telephone has done more than just connect people. It's bridged cultural gaps, facilitated business, and even saved lives. It's hard to imagine our world without it. Thanks for joining me on today's journey into the past. Remember, there's wonder all around us, just waiting to be discovered. Subscribe to stay updated with our weekly mysteries and more curious finds. This is Ethan Carter, signing off until next time.